Yes. Okay. So before we get started with today's topic, let me quickly give you a revision or an overview of where we reached so far. Okay. So guys, everybody focus on it. This basic brush up is going to be really useful to get the full context about what we were doing yesterday. Okay. To the point, let's stick it. Fine. First of all, security is key for any application. Without that, projects will not go to production. First thumb rule always. Okay. Next, our entire project is about APIs exposing. So we need to make sure that our APIs are secured. Right? That's our responsibility to make sure APIs are secured. Now, for implementing security for our API, the core logic we are using is HMAC SHA 256. So it generates hash, it generates signature, and we discussed all of that. We tell e-commerce to generate a signature. So which basically means every incoming request should have signature. If signature is valid, then we process, else not. This is our business logic. Now later yesterday we discussed कि Spring Security provides us a very nice way of a framework which provides security capability. So that is Spring Security model. And we discussed that there are a lot of benefits about it, whether we are using all of that right now or not. But in future, if more thing comes, so it's better to use the predefined ready-made model. So we want to use Spring Security. Okay, because it's really nice, can be extendable and a lot of things. Now, yesterday we learned about Spring Security. Okay, what things we require? First, okay, control over all of our APIs at central place. So for this is one of the main reason which we need. And the second thing is, yes, we want to do a verification of signature in the model of Spring Security, in Spring Security model. So this is what we want to do, which we have already done till yesterday, since past I think couple of days. Okay, and yes, where we ended our system. Okay, so we learned that we can put a security configuration file, something like this. Packaging is important. Try to logically put the packaging. So we are doing a configuration, so we just call it like under config package. There we define the security rules, and we understood what exactly these configurations are. It's a chain of responsibility design pattern where a list of all these filters will do a specific purpose. Okay, and it runs one by one. So the order is important. So it keeps running one by one by one by one. This is how it keeps working. Now, as part of that, for implementing HMAC SHA, we created our own custom filter. Okay, and we plugged in. So Spring Security is an internal code. They can read this username password authentication filter. It's only for reference. If you really see, this is a predefined class available in Spring package itself, org Spring Framework Security Web Authentication. So it is given in the Spring package itself. Which class? Spring Security Web. That is the jar file where it is coming. So it's a predefined class. Internally, Spring guys know where it comes in the filter chain. So when we are writing our own custom one, we need to tell Spring where to position it. So we are telling, hey, position my filter after the place where you have written this one. How do we tell that? Is with the simple statement, add filter after. Okay, and there we specify HMAC SHA filter, where we are going to do the verification of HMAC SHA logic processing. Okay, now the filter is pretty simple. There is nothing much fancy about it. Okay, it's just like you have to implement or extend one of a predefined filter. Whatever method it gives, override the method, and here you write whatever business logic you want to verify. Okay, now important thing is, we have to tell the Spring Security system back that the request is valid or invalid. So for that, we even saw yesterday this kind of actions will tell us that. Okay, so we have already seen this thing happening, and it even worked to one pretty specific point. Okay, so I will first of all run that logic again. So let's start this system as debug as. Guys, clear? It's just a quick revision. Clear so far? Yeah, it's just a quick revision where we are. Now we will run it, execute it, and then continue. Okay, Sudha, Prajna, Kishan. Nice, 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 nice. Chalo, let's jump. Let's jump in. Okay, Gajendra, Nagender, Narendra, nice. Vishal and all. Suni.